Did you know you can create a steady monthly income from the stock market? Whether you're looking to pay bills, save for the future, or just have extra cash, I'll show you how to make it happen. Earning monthly income from the stock market offers financial freedom and can be a reliable source of passive income. Unlike traditional savings accounts, investing wisely in stocks can provide much higher returns. Dividend stocks are one of the best ways to earn monthly income. Companies like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble pay dividends regularly to their shareholders. Look for high dividend yield, but be cautious of yields that seem too good to be true. If you want monthly income, focus on stocks like Realty Income or Main Street Capital, which distribute dividends 12 times a year for consistent cash flow. You can also boost your income by writing covered calls if you own stocks, earning premiums on options contracts. REITs and ETFs are another great choice. Real estate investment trusts must distribute most of their profits as dividends, and ETFs like SCHD or SPHD diversify your portfolio with dividend-paying companies. To build a portfolio for monthly income, diversify between dividend stocks, REITs, and ETFs. Stagger dividend payments across months and reinvest whenever possible to compound your returns. Remember, all investments carry risks, so research thoroughly and start small. Let your income grow over time. What's your favorite way to earn income from the stock market? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more investing tips.